The art of coffee roasting, unveiling the perfect roast for your cup. Coffee roasting is an essential process that transforms green coffee beans into an aromatic, flavorful beans we brew into our favorite drinks. Roasting affects the taste but also the aroma and body of the coffee. There are two primary methods of coffee roasting. First, we have the drum roasting. Beans are roasted in a rotating drum over a direct heat source, allowing for the rich development of flavors. Next is hot air roasting. Beans are suspended in hot air, ensuring an even roast while preserving more of the coffee's natural brightness and acidity. The level of roasting determines the final characteristic of the coffee. The four primary roast levels, light, medium dark, and dark, offers distinct flavors and experiences. Is light roast. Light brown in color, no oils on the surface, high acidity, bright and fruity flavors. Common names are cinnamon roast and New England roast. Next is the medium roast. Medium brown color, slightly less acidic, balanced flavor with caramel sweetness. Common name is city roast or breakfast roast. Next is the medium dark roast. Darker brown with some oils on the surface, bolder flavor with chocolate and caramel notes, less acidity but more body. Common names is full city roast or Vienna roast. And lastly is the dark roast. Very dark brown to black with an oily surface, smoky, bold, and sometimes bitter taste. Low acidity with strong roast flavors. Common names are French roast, Italian roast, and espresso roast. So similar to the roasting levels, we also have the coffee grind. So the grind size affects how coffee is extracted. Here are common types. First is the extra coarse or cold brew, very large particles, ideal for long steeping. Next is the coarse, used in French press or percolator. Chunky like sea salt prevents over extraction. Third is the medium coarse, used in Chemex brewers, drip coffee makers, slightly finer, good for balanced extraction. Fourth is the medium. Drip coffee and pour over coffees are used in this type of grind. Texture like sand, standard for most coffee makers. Next is the medium fine, used in AeroPress and pour overs. Smoother than sand, allows moderate extraction. Next is fine grind, used in espresso and mocha pot. Powdery, used for pressure brewing. And last is the extra fine, used in Turkish coffee, flour-like consistency for very strong brews. Fun facts and trivia about coffee. The longer beans are roasted, the less caffeine they retain. Light roast has more caffeine than dark roast. The world's most expensive coffee is Kopi Luwak, is made using beans eaten and excreted by civet cats. Also, espresso is not a type of coffee bean but a brewing method.